Yep, I'm back. Back on this channel with some of my favorite guns to show you. Some of them are modified. Like this one here. This one's beautiful. Shoots 45 Colt, 45 ACP. Same thing with this one. It's a Remington. Shoots some pretty big loads. 45 caliber. Those are 44s right there in the front. Little 22 over here. I might even start a gun channel, but I'm sure YouTube would try to shut it down. Anyways, Henry Eberhard is back up on his channel. As you know, these criminals with badges, they target gun collectors. Like Mr. Paddock, the Las Vegas shooter. Obvious targeted individual. Driven insane. I guess he didn't know what was going on. May have had an idea, but who knows. I'll show you another video on this one here after it's converted. The Remington 1858 N44 black powder and 45 conversion cylinder. It's quite a nice looking weapon. I don't even know if I'll ever even target practice with it. Such a beautiful gun. Yeah, you take it out target practicing, you end up scratching it up and all kinds of stuff. But I might shoot it one day, take it to the range and target practice with it. I'll tell you one thing, this weapon will stop an intruder. It will stop a criminal. Before you get these weapons, make sure you've got a large gun safe, a good one. Lock them up. Make sure that safe is bolted to the floor. Take your key everywhere you go, or make sure you don't share your combination or get a combination safe. I recommend getting a key one.